Look at this video. This entire table renovation video was created using only free AI tools. No expensive software, no paid subscriptions. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create videos like this, step by step, without spending any money on tools. But before we start, take a look at this channel. They have uploaded only 33 videos and already gained around 138,000 subscribers. That kind of growth is huge. When you scroll through their channel, you'll notice something interesting. Almost every video follows the same concept: table renovation and transformation videos. And the crazy part is that most of their videos are pulling in thousands of views, and many of them even cross millions. When I checked the analytics of this channel on Social Blade, the estimated earnings were somewhere between $35,000 and $500,000 per month. When I saw those numbers, I was honestly shocked. That's exactly why I decided to recreate this style of video using only free AI tools. And now I'm going to show you how you can do the same. So let's start the process. The first thing you need to do is open this prompt document. Just comment "prompt" below the video, and I'll send you the link to access it. Inside the document, copy the section labeled Task 1 Prompt. After copying it, open any chatbot you prefer, for example, ChatGPT, and paste the prompt there. Once you paste it, the chatbot will start generating multiple video ideas for you. From those ideas, you need to choose the one that you think has the best potential to perform well. And if you're not sure which one to pick, you can simply ask the chatbot itself to recommend the best idea from the list. Once you have your video idea ready, go back to the document and copy the entire Task 2 prompt. Then return to the chatbot, paste the prompt, insert your video idea, and click Generate. The chatbot will now create detailed prompts for you. First, it will generate image prompts for each scene, and after that, it will generate motion prompts that will later be used to animate those images. Now it's time to create the visuals. For that, open Google Flow and click on New Project. From there, select the image option, set the format to portrait, choose the output as 2, and select the model called Nano Banana 2. The reason we keep the output as 2 is because image generation here costs 0 credits. So generating 2 images allows you to choose the best one. After setting everything up, go back to the chatbot, copy the first image prompt, paste it into Flow, and click Generate. In a few seconds, the images will be ready. From the 2 results, simply choose the one that looks the best and download it. Next, upload the downloaded image as a reference image, then copy the second image prompt from the chatbot and paste it into Flow to generate the second image. Once the second image is ready, download it and upload it again as the reference image for the next step. Then copy the third image prompt from the chatbot, paste it into Flow, and generate the third image. You just keep repeating the same process until all the images for your video are generated. Once all the images are ready and downloaded, the next step is to add motion to them. For that, switch to the video option inside Google Flow. Select ingredients, keep the format as portrait, and set the output to 1. The reason we keep the output as 1 is because video generation uses credits, so generating 1 clip at a time helps save them. Now upload the first image as the reference image, then go back to the chatbot, copy the first clip animation prompt, paste it into Flow, and click Generate. In a few seconds, your first animated clip will be ready. After that, upload the second image, copy the second animation prompt, paste it into Flow, and generate the second clip. Then repeat the same process for the third image and the rest of the images until all the clips are generated. Once all the clips are ready, the final step is to combine them into a single video. For this, you can use any simple editing software. In this example, I'll use CapCut. Open CapCut, import all the clips you generated, arrange them in the correct order, and slightly increase the scale of the video so that the VO watermark is hidden. After that, export the video in high resolution, and that's it. Your video is now ready to be uploaded on YouTube. But before you leave, remember one important thing. There is no such thing as instant success. If your first video doesn't perform well, that's completely normal. Sometimes the second video performs better, sometimes the third one does. The most important thing is consistency. Just keep creating videos, keep uploading regularly, and over time, you will start seeing results. And before you go, I want to share something with you. I've been uploading videos about AI content creation using free tools, and while some of them are performing well, the growth can sometimes feel slow and a bit demotivating. So it would really mean a lot to me if you support the channel by subscribing and liking the video. You can also check out some of the other videos on the channel if you found this one helpful. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.